Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing if you like what you see. That way I know that you all are enjoying what I'm creating and what I can do more of. Today's video is a plan with me for this week. I used the Hello Class kit by Scribble Co. as the base, and I pulled in lots of rose gold foil. I just personally felt that rose gold suited this kit the best. I got to pull in a lot of my favorite foil scripts and deco bits that you'll see throughout the spread. I used this kit for the same week that a lot of other people are using it to mark the first week of school. Not full week because we had Labor Day on Monday, so it wasn't a full week, but it was the first week of school. Our first day of school was Tuesday. For those of you who do not know, I am a preschool teacher, and my district is doing distance learning or virtual learning or e-learning, whatever you call it, for the foreseeable future. As of now, my district has, as far as I know, no plans to motorcycle outside, excuse me, to go back to in-person anytime soon, which is just fine with me. So after the Labor Day holiday, we did have our first day of distance learning on Tuesday. I marked that with a Once More with Love video chat munchkin and the first day of school script from Scribble Co. from the back to school script sampler. The first day was really good. We had most of our students able to log in. Some were having continued issues with devices and logging in and stuff, just because it's a new process for everybody. But I think most of those issues have since been resolved, and we worked closely with our technology team and other support staff to get those things ready for some of the students throughout the week, and I think we're ready for a full class starting this coming Monday, which is exciting. On Tuesday after school, I did take myself to Starbucks as sort of a first day of school treat. I went through the drive-thru that's closest to my house and got a pumpkin spice latte, first one of the season. I have fully transitioned into fall mode. I had told myself that I wasn't going to decorate or do anything like super fall-ish until the first day of fall on the 22nd of September, but I did not stick to that schedule. You'll see later in the spread that my husband and I wound up doing our fall decorating yesterday. I'm recording this voiceover and putting this video up on Sunday, so we did do our fall decorating on Saturday afternoon. It was a really wonderful day. It's been a great weekend. I did pull in some other elements from Harriet Wright Designs, those rose gold frame white boxes and the pink rose gold accent pieces are from Harriet Wright Designs, freebies, and from her shop. And right now you see me pulling in some of the deco pieces to arrange across the top and bottom of the spread. I did the deco midweek because I wanted my midweek spread post on Instagram to be as complete as possible. So I just took some time on Wednesday before posting my midweek spread to put the deco from the kit where I wanted it. I really wanted to make sure that I used all of the deco from the kit. I thought it was all very well curated and a lot of nice mixture of sizes of deco. I am not a fan when there's too much big deco pieces, too many big deco pieces and too many tiny deco pieces. I like when there's kind of a mix of, whoops, sorry, just bumped the microphone. A mix of sizes, and I thought that the deco in this kit was obviously very well curated and nice sizes, so I wanted to use all of it. I did mark our days of school this week. For days 1 through 4, we had 4 days of school this week because of the Labor Day holiday on Monday. I marked uploading a sticker organization video on Thursday with an upload script from Harriet Wright Designs, and that little planner and headphones icon is from Crafts by Tally. I did get that uploaded this week with school happening, which was nice. I will still be trying to find kind of a balance between work on YouTube, my hobby, and my job as a teacher, so I'm working on that balance still. But I think it's going well so far. We've been officially working for 3 or 4 weeks now, so I think the balance has been just fine, and I'm pleased that it's gone well, and you all seem supportive and happy with it so far. We really enjoyed Monday off. We just got a lot of things done, and then this weekend, yesterday, like I said, we really just got into the fall spirit a little early, but I'm just giving up on summer. I'm just in full fall mode. I had purchased some leaf garlands and little pumpkin decorations and a table runner and a couple other things. We just took some time yesterday and put those things up. Ooh, and I got us a new wreath as well. I am planning to film some sort of vlog style clips for not this coming week, but the following week. This week that begins tomorrow, if you're watching this on Sunday, is my birthday week. My birthday is on Wednesday the 16th, so my next spread after this one that you're seeing now will be my birthday spread, and the following week is the official first week of fall, so I have a fall themed kit to use for that week. And coinciding with my fall themed spread, I'm planning to film some vlog style clips showing you our fall decorations. Hopefully that will happen. Again, that won't come for a couple weeks, just because next week will be my birthday week spread. But the following week I thought, going with the first day of fall theme, that might be fun to put in some of those clips, and you can see some decorations that we put up. Right here you can see me marking that with a Sniff a Candle emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. Fall Bucket List sampler sheet. I did pull out some of our favorite fall candles. We are currently burning Sweater Weather from Bath & Body Works in our kitchen. I also pulled out my Cider Lane candle and my, what's the other one? Sweet cinnamon pumpkin, I think. And I did order yesterday a couple new ones. The pumpkin spice latte candle from Bath and Body Works. I haven't smelled that one yet. If you have, and let me know your thoughts down below if you've smelled that one. And the other one that I got was just a replacement of my leaves candle that we both enjoy. And on the bottom there, you see that I marked fall baking. I did bake some pumpkin bread that is actually Weight Watchers friendly, which I'm really happy. It's from a mix too, which I was really excited about. I thought in order to get healthy pumpkin bread, I was gonna have to do some crazy recipe and everything, but the I think the brand is called Almond Mills. I think, correct me if I'm wrong. It's available at Whole Foods. We got it with our grocery delivery yesterday. The only thing it takes, it's a box mix, and then you add water, oil, and eggs. Or I guess if you wanted to substitute, you could use coconut oil or a different kind of oil substitute, and flax eggs if you wanted to. But I just pulled in eggs and canola oil. And it's actually really good. It's not too sweet at all. It would definitely pair really well with coffee or apple cider. I was like craving apple cider yesterday, so I bought some apple cider K-cups that I'll be really excited to pair with the pumpkin bread. But I was just craving pumpkin bread and all the fall things yesterday since we decorated, and it was just a really nice day. Let me know what you're doing to celebrate fall and to decorate, or if you have any good fall recipes. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if this is one of your first weeks of teaching, let me know how it's gone for you. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.